We cannot wait to welcome you all back to Warwick Castle. Now, aside from keeping out all the invading armies, our top priority has been the health and safety of all of our friendly guests and, of course, our staff. Now, we are committed to ensuring the highest possible standards of both cleanliness and safety.
We have put in place a number of new safety measures to ensure you have a magical and memorable experience when you visit us here at Warwick Castle. They include pre-booking your tickets online. We'll have a much lower capacity for the attraction, so you must book before you visit us.
That's an order.
Our grounds and gardens are open straight away, but some of our attractions may not be suitable for opening just yet. Please check our website for more details.
Upon arrival, you may expect to see us conducting temperature checks, both on our guests and on our staff.
Once here, you'll see a number of our staff wearing protective equipment or hygiene screens on counters. You'll see the continuation of our advanced cleaning and additional hygiene stations with hand sanitizer at key locations.
You'll see social distancing, including separation markers in all of our outdoor spaces.
You'll see a change in how we do some of our everyday tasks. Be ready to make on-site payments using a contactless bank card rather than using cash.
Some of our attractions may open, but with limited numbers, or some may continue to remain closed.
But we've got over 64 acres of outdoor space for you to explore. We truly want you to have a magical experience with us at Warwick Castle, so please only visit when you and your party are feeling well and are symptom-free. All of these safety measures are in place to help ensure you have a safe and enjoyable experience here at Warwick Castle.
Thank you for helping us to keep you safe.
See you soon!